Okay, so it has been a bit of a while since my last video, so here's what I've been up to. Basically, I've spent some of my free time just cleaning up the knife, getting everything nice and flat the way I want it. You can only forge so close at my skill level. And then I decided I need some more tools. So I've been building a few tools. If you've been following on Instagram, you might have seen a few pictures of it. One of the tools I built was this. It is a file guide jig, or a file jig, or a bevel filing jig, or whatever you want to call it. It has many names. It's a quite easy function. There goes the G-clamp. Basically, I clamp a file into the front of it. This goes into my vise. That functions as a guide to make sure that the angle that I set it at stays the same. This is pretty flat at the moment because I used it to level out the tang on the big knife we're working on, and also been doing some practice on the grinder to get my skill up. Takes time, takes practice, costs money. We're going to run through lining up the bolsters, see if I can get that sorted out. I'm going to mark out with the marking blue, and hopefully you enjoy coming along for the ride.
Right, let's get down to business. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark the positions of where I want to drill the holes in the bolsters, after which I will punch them and then get down to drilling. Using a sharp drill bit. If it's not sharp, sharpen your drill bit. There are many videos showing how to do that. Or secure your workpiece in the vise. You don't want a piece of metal flailing around, you can injure yourself. And remember to use a coolant when drilling holes in metal to keep the drill bit cool, otherwise it will just go dull very quickly. Take your time and don't rush. Forcing especially a thin drill bit like this through steel can cause it to bite into the steel and snap, and that can end up costing you a lot of money. Subscribing and for coming along on this build. Always remember when embarking on a project like this that don't rush. Anything worth doing is worth doing well, and make sure that everything's symmetrical. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more.